Let's make Gnome's birthday Rumzerac. My friend Gnome from Gnome's Tavern is a huge fan of the Sazerac. He's from New Orleans, and rumor has it he started drinking the Sazerac straight out of the womb. So in honor of his upcoming birthday, which is February 14th, he issued a Sazerac challenge. And that challenge has 4 rules. Number 1, make a Sazerac riff. Number 2, it has to look like a Sazerac. So that means a lowball glass. And number 3, it has to have the same or similar components as the original Sazerac. You can swap out those. So you can swap out sweetener, you can swap out the spirit, etc., etc. And finally, it has to have a wash on the inside of the glass. I don't know much about Sazeracs. In fact, I don't think I've ever had a Sazerac. So I thought this would be a great challenge for me to try something new. And of course, because I'm a rum guy, we're going to swap out the base spirit. Instead of using a rye, which is very traditional for Sazeracs, I'm going to use a rum instead. A note on the rum. So my immediate thought was a Jamaican. And I ended up settling on Hamilton Jamaican Pot Still Blonde. I've not tried all the Jamaican rums out there in this drink, so I can't say this is the best one in it, but it works really well. So if you find another Jamaican rum that works great in this cocktail, feel free to let me know what that is. There is a traditional way to make a Sazerac, and so I'm going to try to make my Gnome's birthday Rumzerac in the same way. As I mentioned earlier, I've never had a Sazerac, so I've obviously never made a Sazerac, so I may stumble, I may fall. Forgive me, I'm doing this for Gnome's birthday. Happy birthday, Gnome. The first thing we need to do is fill one of our old-fashioned glasses, and the official glass for a Sazerac is an old-fashioned. I need to fill one of those with ice. Not that ice cube though. And I'm going to set it aside. Now I'm going to get a sugar cube. Traditionally a Sazerac is made with white sugar. I'm going to use Demerara. And a regular sugar cube is about 4 grams. 2 of these Demerara cubes is about 5 grams. So that's what I'm going to do. Next, Peychaud's bitter. I am sticking with the traditional Peychaud's bitter for this. The Sazerac calls for 3. I'm going to put in 3. 1, 2, 3. And a little bit on the cutting board. And then I'm going to put in 1 for the Gnome. And spill a little bit more because, yeah, it's the Gnome. Now I'm going to muddle those together until it becomes a little bit of a paste. I'll be right back with you. Note that I actually prefer using a Demerara syrup instead of the traditional muddled sugar and bitters. It mixes a little bit better, but again, Gnome prefers the sugar, so I'm doing it this way for his birthday. Okay, I think that's muddled enough. Now I'm going to add my rum. 1.5 ounces of rum is 45 milliliters. And for this measurement, I'm probably going to need a jigger. Now that I'm jiggered, 1.5 ounces, 45 milliliters. Now I'm going to add ice to the glass, and I'm going to stir. Why aren't we stirring in a mixing glass? Because traditionally it's stirred in old-fashioned glass. Not sure why. Now that this is stirred, I'm going to dump this ice, and I'm going to add my wash. Again, Herbstura. I do have a recipe for Herbstura. I make my own. The recipes will be linked down below if you want to check it out. It's about, I'm just going to do 3 dashes. That may be too many. About a bar spoon is what a lot of people use, or a 1/4 ounce. And I'm going to slowly spin the glass on its side to help get that Herbstura up towards the lip. There's a little. Okay. Woo! Spilled a little bit of that too. Now I'm going to discard the rest of this into the sink rather than on the floor. And now I'm going to strain my mixed drink into the glass. Ooh, that didn't fit very well. Still worked, but didn't fit well. Finally, the garnish. Lemon twist. I see no reason to change that. It's not a pretty one, but it doesn't need to be pretty. It just has to taste good. Personal philosophy. Give it a twist and put that on the edge of the glass. And there you have it, the Gnome's birthday Rumzerac. Drink with good spirits. Question of the day, what is your favorite riff on the Sazerac? Let me know in the comments down below. Double points if it's rum-based, triple points if you give me the recipe. Note there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I have t-shirts. You can have a t-shirt. If you want a t-shirt, contact me through any of the social media links down below. We'll make sure you get a t-shirt. While you're at that social media link, you might as well follow, subscribe, and do that sort of thing. Finally, if you made it this far, give me a like, give me a subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on anything that I do. And until next time, cheers.